This is a tip for Windows 7 users of Reaper. The Reaper blog has a video for doing something similar for the Mac. The basic idea here is to automate the process of taking your entire Reaper settings folder and making a copy of it each day in your Dropbox or Google Drive. Since those services keep multiple versions of files, you should be able to restore more than just the most recent version. You don't need any additional tools or programs to do this under Windows. It just takes two steps. You need to create a single line DOS batch file, and you need to schedule that batch file to run every day. But first, you need to know where your Reaper settings are. So we started here at my C drive, and then I'm going to go down to users, then my username. Then there's a hidden folder called app data. And if this isn't shown on yours, you don't actually need to follow this, but I'm doing it for convenience. So I open up app data. I can see there's a roaming folder. And then under there is Reaper. I'm just going to click in the title bar as a convenience to get this path. I also have a new folder called backup created on my Dropbox. Then I just need to launch a text editor. The CP command means copy. The -R is a flag meaning copy recursively all the included folders. And I can take that path I copied and paste it in. You can just type it by hand if you'd like. And then I also need the destination. So I'll just grab that in the same manner and paste that in. And then if you want to troubleshoot, you can hit pause at the end, and that'll make the DOS window stay open. And if Windows displays an error message, you'll see it. I'm going to get rid of it for now. So I can just save this file as a batch file, and I'm just going to save it directly into that backup folder. Then I can use the Windows Start menu and type the word task. This is happening off screen. It's just going to launch the Task Scheduler app that's built into Windows. And I can start by clicking on the Create Basic Task. And then you can give it any name you want. I'm just going to start it with the letter A so it sorts to the top of our list of tasks. And then next, daily's fine. And then we'll make it back up later in the day. And then I want it to start a program. I'll click on Browse. I'll go to that batch file I just created, and I'm pretty much done. Let me hit Finish here. And then we can click on the Task Scheduler library, and often it won't show up. So just right-click and select Refresh. And there it is. So we can click on it. We can click Run. I'll move the window down. Oops, it finished too fast for me. Okay, let me just pull up the backup folder. And there's our backup folder. And you can see it did copy the Reaper folder, and all my settings are now over in my Dropbox.